Welcome to qnawire.
A quick observation, I noticed that the only row that changes is um, the third row. Rows 1 and 2 stay the same, so I can tell we're going to change something in row 3. How is that going to work? Well, you can make a small system, and I would pick something that would pull out that you might be leaning towards, and something that we might consider, I don't want to use a 0, but we could pick something that would be true here to make row 3. And so that would look like -3 times some constant plus 2 times some constant, another constant, has to be equal to the 11, the one that changed. And then if we did something to row 2 here, it would be 1a minus 1a equals -4. So if I was to say double the second one here, then we could combine these, and then -a equals 3, so a would be equal to -3. And if a is equal to -3, then b would be equal to 1. So what this would mean is we'd be multiplying, write it up here, we would be multiplying -3 times row 2 and add it to row 3, since that is a 1. Just 1 times row 3. Let's test it out though. -3 times -4 is 12 plus 5 is 17. -3 times 0 plus -3 is -3. -3 times -3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. -3 times 1 minus 3 is -4. That checks out. This is correct. You would write it in normal ways like this: -3 times row 2 plus row 3, replacing row 3.